If you're trying to decide between the Xiaomi 17T and the Xiaomi 15T, here's the quick, honest breakdown. So, starting with the Xiaomi 17T, this is clearly the newer, more future-proof option. You're getting a faster processor, improved AI camera processing, and better power efficiency. In real use, that means smoother gaming, quicker app launches, and slightly better battery life even with heavy use. The display also feels a bit more refined, especially in brightness outdoors. Now the Xiaomi 15T, this one is still a really solid phone. It handles everyday tasks with no issues, takes great photos, and honestly, for most people, it's more than enough. The big win here is value. You're getting close to flagship performance for a lower price. So here's the simple verdict. If you want the latest tech and plan to keep your phone for years, go 17T. But if you want the best bang for your buck right now, the 15T is the smarter buy.